We have given argument. Let me remind you, argument consists of sets of statements called promises. In some books we have called them hypotheses, and another statement called the conclusion. Conclusion is always after word therefore. So we have, let's read this argument. If I stayed up late at night, then I will be tired in the morning. I am not tired this morning, therefore I did not stay up late last night. So first statement we have, if I stayed up late at night, then I will be tired in the morning. So we have conditional statement because we have word if, then. So we will put that first simple statement, we will call this P, is I stayed up late at night. The second simple statement will be, let's put Q, is I will be tired in the morning. Next, we have I not tired. So we have statement, simple statement, I will be tired. So this is negation. So we don't have to write another simple statement. Next, we have therefore. For therefore, we use always 3 dots. And I did not stay up late last night. Is the said statement which we have, only we have negation of P. So now we can rewrite our argument to letters. First we have, like I said, conditional statement if, then. So we have P implies Q. This is our first promise. Or in some book you can have word hypothesis. And next we have I'm not tired this morning. So this is negation of our Q. So we have not Q. Next we have therefore. So it means we have to underline our promises. We have 2 promises. First and second. And now for word therefore we have to put 3 dots. And next we have I did not stay up late last night. So this is negation of our simple statement P. So we have not P. So this is our conclusion. This is my solution.